G'day, this is AussADV Rider on a very cold summer's morning. So yeah, I'm going to have a bit of a ride around today, see what I can find. This is quite steep, I wasn't expecting that. A nice smooth gravel road and all of a sudden we're going downhill. God, I hope it goes through. Oh my God.
Take the next right onto Harkia Highway.
I'm exhausted already. I'm actually going to shut it down for this bit. Oh, I could probably ride it alright, but... Bloody hell. Let's go for a nice easy cruise on my own today. Look at the shit I get myself into. Oh, I don't know how to go up that one. Oh, another wallaby. Oh, which way am I going? I'm going to go this way. Showing I'm right between the two roads.
Take the next left.
Left. That one. Unknown road. That's what you like to see. Well, it's saying go this way. Oh. I know some of these ruts are very deep. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's pretty deep. I don't like my chances of pushing through that either. I'm going to have to try, I think. And he looks like a little mud puddle, but it's freaking deep. Rightio, let's see what else this track's got installed for me. Oh, is that it? Look at all these tracks, where's that one go? So I've come down that hill before, which is a pretty big hill, but not too bad. That should be Arthur's Road down there. So that's the easy way out. Righto, well that's good to know. I'm going to go have a look down here. Not today. I could probably do that, but I'm not going to attempt it on my own. Rightio, so I come down there. I think I've been down that one before. And this should be Arthur's Road down here. I'll go and have a look. Yeah, as much as I'd love to, I won't do Arthur's Road. It's very deep, water-filled ruts. Oh, what are you? So that's another way out, I'm guessing. We might try that. Go down here for a bit. Yeah, check that out. That's the start of Arthur's Road. Oh, it's an interesting looking track up there. Right, I'm going to try this one. I know Arthur's Road's wet at the best of times, so after the rain we had this week, it's probably not good. This track's looking good so far. So we've got State Forest that side, Pine Plantation that side. Like a bit of a landslip there. Or is that? Oh, it's a bloody four-wheel drive track. Holy shit. Well, you can have that one. Oh, this... Oh yeah, that looks familiar. Okay. I know where I am now. Well, kind of. So I reckon that's where I came in. We'll go over Sticky Beak down this hill, hey? How big's this hill? Looks pretty bloody steep, doesn't it? It doesn't look too bad. We'll go down and have a look. That was only a shallow one. What's that? Dingo. Shit. I need one of those cards with the animals on it you tick off whenever you see one. I've seen roos, deer and a dingo. I'm guessing you wouldn't have seen it on the camera. He was just around here somewhere. Getting a bit rough now. You know where we are, map? So I don't. A little bit of a quarry in there. Oh. Okay, what do we got here? Pheasant Way. Did I do a loop? Because I'm sure I come up this. So what's that track there? I reckon I come up that. It'll take me down there again. I'm very confused. That's just where I come out, yeah. So I've come up there. So I've done a loop. Because I come in from a different direction, I didn't recognise it. Righto, I'm out of here because before I get lost. Here I am back here again. Righto, I'm going to go this way. So, yeah, I think sure I come up there. That's right, I went that way and then I went strip road. See where this one takes us. Surely I might have seen the other end of this track. Left or right? I'm going to go left. Yeah, I think I saw the other end of this track on my way in. I thought that looks pretty cool. But I won't try it out on my own today. Oh, mate, this looks like a good track. Cool. What have we got here? Are you blocking the way? I think you might be. Oh. Righto, see if we can get through that. Only a minor obstacle. Oh, what? Oh, far out. Another one up ahead. Rightio, I'm going to have to go back. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed exploring with me today. I found some cool tracks, and I think I'm going to get lost again. I know we're just going to... Thought we were joining up to the main road. Oh dear, where am I going now? Thought I was done exploring. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed exploring with me today. I've found a few new tracks. I'm going to go this way, try and get back to that Watson's Road I was on. And it's blocked. I've got a house there. Oh no. But it's right there. We'll have to go through the bush. Oop. Rightio. Now I don't know where I am. Anyway, if you see this video on YouTube, it means I found my way out and got home. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.